So, with all the hype of them taking medicines out of the stores lately, I decided to test it out and go to our local Dollar Tree and Family Dollar to see what they had inside and if this was real. So, come along with me and let's see what I found. There is only one other store in town, and that is a local grocery store. But since it's not a major chain, I decided not to include this in this particular experiment. Okay, so for a Saturday afternoon, we're walking along, trying to just get a feel of what we can find inside the store. And for the most part, I see a lot of boxes, people are stocking the shelves, everything appears as it should be. However, once we get down certain aisles, you'll start seeing bigger gaps. As for example, this aisle, there is nothing, but on one side, they tried to spread out a little bit of the fall harvest. Um, they had some stuff. I kind of thought they'd have a little bit more, all things considered, but so be it. They even have some of the shelves laying against the side there as though they don't know what they're going to be doing with them. So we decided to keep moseying along, see if there was anything that would really catch our eye. It was like some aisles were very stocked, while others definitely were not. We all really want to know what's going on behind this medicine issue and if this is legit, that these items have chemicals or agents, whatever you want to call them, inside of them that aren't really working. Why have they been giving it to us for the past 15 plus years? That was a big concern for myself. So, as we dig a little further, I really wanted to investigate as good as I could and just see what the stores had, if they had anything. So we are, oh, I got sidetracked looking at little kids' clothes. Sorry about that. That was kind of cute. Um, and then, but as you can see, we're coming along here and we're just getting into the nitty gritty of what they have. And holy smokes, look at all the empty spots. I was shocked. I did not think that would actually happen. I thought it was more just a hype, but lo and behold, as I am looking, it is absolutely got some extremely empty spots. As you can see, they've spread out what they do have. I don't know if that's an effort to make it look fuller, but then you have the items that weren't really mentioned at all, and they seem to have those. Uh, but they have massive gaps. Like, look at that entire section right there, just empty. This should not be the case on a normal basis. And normally we don't experience that. Usually, when you go to pick up medicines for cold and flu season, it is extremely loaded, but this was not the case. I also noticed huge gaps in the diapers that they had. I'm really hoping we're not going back to a diaper pandemic, but here we are looking at the next store, and they as well have huge gaps. And what it appears to be is that once again, things are spread out where they're having rows of 10 to 15 just to make it look a little fuller. Um, if maybe you weren't paying that much attention, you may not realize that, but I was very quick to pick that up. They did have a lot of dental care and whatnot, but that was about it. Be sure to stock up this year in case it gets a little harder as we get deeper into the winter season. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you so much. Have a great day.